Yeah, oh, send you this thing now.
See, Mona, wait. I never talk on this platform since so I go vex so.
Lucky nice, wait. Lucky nice, wait. Lucky nice, wait. Mona, wait. Make everybody wait. Make everybody wait. Make everybody mute. Yeah, oh, mute. We don't know who be snitch and who not be snitch. Osat, you see, everything accusation until person prove guilty. You understand? Waiting we go know say yeah, oh they guilty or Aisha they guilty. Now waiting we see for eye. Like yesterday, now waiting Mommy NJ talk. Prove where they bring where you say they chat day. We not see here, oh, say they cause a person they do this one, or the person they do this one. Everything where they say they talk. They not call your own name. Maybe evidence, but waiting Aisha they talk. Aisha, you say, okay, yeah, oh, cause this person husband. You bring the evidence. We see him. Bring this proof now, we see. If you get send and give us SARS, no SARS plan, give, we get how many people they watch. No, we know where the matter they go. You understand? I don't want to make they do this one.
Mona, give me money gone.
Lucky Lawa. Lucky. You get 2,700, that will never reach you. Here, oh, send everything.
Aisha, you said that me carry everything conscious, and me carry conversation on TikTok. Is that what you said, Aisha?
I don't say you carry on social media. If you know here waiting I talk.
I bet what did she talk?
Wait, you go dear the woman.
They don't let me talk now.
Mona,
wait,
talk.
Let me win in a hair while I say, Osas, you see this matter, 3 of them they wrong. The one where I shall do where they make me verse. If they point out, they go only in your own without cancel. That one they make the verse me for them. Now make me they toss me go fiang bora. If you want to talk this thing, both of them are wrong. 3 of them they gather.
Mama.
And wait till they no, miss yourself. You don't do that. Don't do that. I don't want verse now. But don't come down. I don't want fiangbo you. If you talk for my matter, fiangbo you. Because you know why they talk. Aisha, the conversation where in your own we cancel they get for phone. You are not there. You understand? Talk with it because they will bring you.
Mama, make I tell you. I say it takes two to tango. I be not be waiting. I talk with that.
It's okay, Aisha, calm down.
Not talk proof for my matter. Aisha, 2 of them they talk. Maybe you were not there. There's one write-up where you know saying give me when counselor tell and say Aisha is not disorder being available, something like that. Okay, I saw that. I don't know why she says so. But if they judge this matter, Aisha, both of them are wrong. Not the point, because the way they judge the matter since morning, you they point.
Mama, I swear to God who made me.
Don't do like
that.
I
know they support counselor. I just the verse for you and to go there talk to
ask you the Aisha, let me talk now. As you the verse for you, verse for counselor. Because not being here, tell counselor may come out. The reason here, said say in the verse, in the challenge counselor, because a no get they always the talk say in your own as snitch. But now you know the meaning of suspect. I just say they're educated. So in your own now don't they suspect counselor say why this man they call me snitch? Why this man they talk say I they tell you gift I made the money and the only person mute yourself. And the only person when you discuss with you and counselor, 2 of them, now you discuss this thing. Now make the thing provoke him. And you end up tell you something before. The next thing you go tell a no gay. So you not trust you now. So this guy now they vest now for inside body say. So these people when me discuss with now. So wait till we they discuss, don't come out. So you be like, say me and I want talk something now. Osas come they hear. Then Osas will come use it direct. They fiangbo me, they talk. I won't go ever talk. So now let mommy AJ, I discuss this thing. How come Osas they use that they track, they you don't understand. He go come on a person they brunt. He go come my net direct. He go just they give me where they pay me. So me now my mind no settle. Now so counselor, you not settle. Now make you know the blame counselor why he send voice record go give a no gay where he plan when you know say he fucked up. You know they blame her for that one. You they blame your own say cause counselor husband. Yes, he will not do where we take cause counselor husband. It's totally wrong. I said it before. I was going to say it again. I'm going to say it again. You just the point time they give what are you going to give a no gay condemn in your own? You get what you want get. You not sit gossip the matter. All of them that gossip the matter.
Then that means all of them no understand maybe that.
We understand. No
understand me because Uncle BBA wait. That means say una no understand me. I never said say maybe he and own a bad person. I only said say why she go stop that.
We not hear you near your phone.
Okay, why should not come out say if I no gay? If anybody tell you anything, come out, come talk or call the person name. Because una same that woman now send voice notes give a noge. Now when E&O come out yesterday, come say I double dare you, and like I go insult your husband over and over again, and people come they talk say now the woman bring herself down, this one that one, now the woman forward the noge. I be una not see the live video.
They never drag you, make you talk with you. Would they never tell you now? Say, make you talk with you. What? Wait, they not tell you. Wait. People never drag you now. Make you talk with you and you talk. Why you never talk? Why you never talk?
Because number one, and not be person where be say you with time go talk for back. Even though say na put gun for my head.
Now the majority will they talk
no
now.
On a platform. Talk. Say, see, I can't talk. Say, maybe you forget this part. Maybe you forget this part. Me, I know they come as I can't talk. Now, it make me the verse for her. Say, she's supposed to not come out. Can't they tell that woman, say, you are a snitch, you are this one? Because that woman never even go to a noge, go talk. He never go.
Okay, now, if that woman not talk, now you talk and be that now. Now, one person will must stop before you go, they talk with you.
Do you know how many people call a noge on a daily basis?
Madam, but now 3 of now they talk for phone call.
Aisha, I want to remind you something. A noge said, and I quote, the person I told to stop gifting him stopped coming to our platform. Now the person is back. They hear me so now they hear me. And now the person is back because the person has realized I was a bad person. They hear me so. And that period, Madam Chancellor, not really they go a platform. They hear me so, diploma. Of which I know everyone the class not go a platform. No, not they donate again. No, give a money or not they put money for a foundation account. So when Enoge keep repeating that word, they hear me so, and I say those things were looking like they relate, they be like saying counselor. I say, wow, that means counselor and snitch. Anybody in my shoe will say it. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah,
that means counselor and snitch. That make I talk or go your life, say, I dey wait, make counselor ask me, say, why you thought say I be snitch. You don't understand me so? The time when she send me voice notes yesterday, that time she go use and ask me, say, what go make you talk to me like that? First of all, me and I not get argument too. I do on group call when she called me about one girl that you call Tracy. I screenshot her and tell her, say, Mama, I do on group call. Since me and the Tracy matter, I don't want to follow Tracy, they argue, Mama, later.
Mona power tap. Mona they send me gifts now.
They hear me so, diploma.
I dey hear you.
I can't tell her, say, I do on group call, of which I sent her screenshot. I can send you this screenshot also. She said, even if I did say I'm not supposed to come on for the group call. I said, Mama, I was on group call before you called. I thought it was urgent. That was why I joined. You are not my mother. You cannot tell me not to continue what I was doing before I entered your call. I was even trying to explain to her, like to make her understand, say, Mama, not verse. I be there on group call before. She not answer me again. From that, they finish. We not argue, but I called a year for yesterday when they told me tell and say I don't remember the way they say I take put the word. Let me cut call. You don't need to lie for my head. To God and man, if that girl Tracy, they're truthful, I can send you that girl number. Me you ask the girl say, wait till I talk. I tell her say, Mama, I don't want to talk for this matter again. I be there on call before I join this call. If that girl won't be truthful, I can send you the number to call that girl. We did not argue. We did not say anything. You don't hear me so? Yeah. One morning I just wake up while they see that message, that word when you get the Lord they talk, I just block her. I don't know that she blocked me and I blocked her. So you know say TikTok sometimes they'll just randomly show you people this thing. Now I say she unfollow me. I not for the follower. You understand? Now so the matter at the end.
Okay. If we really check this matter, it never warrants where they go they play voice record and everything. You understand? Sometimes we know say we date it talk so. I better mute yourself, Sylvia. People they talk about us well. You understand? Una think after live video, they figure those bias, Usas do like this for another fool for this one. But even though say the person can't tell you, see what this person talk, you know, warrant more they come live video. Can't they show what you don't discuss because they make people they look down on Una. You understand? Now what thing that they try to talk, say sometimes it gets una need to get secret. we be say una don't talk, even though say una quarrel, even though say the person is zuo, you want go play or this thing, want come, just quiet. You as a wise person, you understand, so that the thing not go escalate. Nobody know they talk about person, but try, may you know how to keep secret. It's very important, no matter what. Not be say because of say TikTok don't come, all of us we all hear something boah. Aisha, you for inside, you know say you be businesswoman. You don't need to even the enter inside midst of problem. You have to.
I no enter now. Now come they drag me yesterday. They shout Aisha.
Make I talk. Aisha, wait.
And they drag you yesterday.
Wait.
Yes, now why you call my name?
Oh God.
No, I mistakenly call your name. I say no. Sorry, na counselor. Now what for?
Nothing on my name. Blogger they like pass for any topic now.
No. Mommy, you did my platform yesterday.
Aisha, wait. I know what
I dragged Aisha yesterday for my platform.
Yeah, wait. You know worry. I know what I say. Wait, calm down. You know why they tell you this thing, Aisha? You be business somebody. You don't need to pull yourself for inside problem. Where's Hagade? You understand? All those things, they make people, they look down on you. I don't tell you this thing several times. When you know say problem won't come, you come on yourself. If problem won't come on yourself. You understand? Because you they do business. Except say maybe you they do as fun. Maybe you want to use it for maybe crack day so that you feel express yourself. You understand? So I beg, they already commode yourself. Not they enter the middle of two people where they quarrel. Say you want support one side. You beat this one, so that you go there fair for the eyes of the people. According to what Mommy they talk just now, say you they always they measure you not measure counselor. You understand? So that counselor, even though say push on to the extent saying a woman things, he not supposed to even go say he want send waiting the gather discuss. Want go send and give a no give. Make you know say definitely that thing. If you don't reach a no give hand, a no give must plan. Based on say he don't the verse already. Say things not come the like not be the way they arrange things, not be so it can't be. For example. You understand? So now this guy go to tell these people, maybe they don't come to send me gifts. And this, but we are not supposed to go send down give them. You understand? Everybody go just part way. You they get me? Me wait there. So now many people don't go write my gift and they don't gift me. They go still tell me, but I will see the person. Me and the person will still they talk. I not go even tell and say, see what I hear about you. But you know me say I not get long spoon. I be wise man. You understand? So you don't need to play person. You don't need to go there send your conversation we not get for back. That counselor, she wrong go big time. If it's there here now, tell her. Woman, una they talk. This one I'm a married woman, you na married woman. Una two jam, they insult each other. For example, you know warrant to you to okay, you talk to me anyhow, I don't verse, I want carry record, go give for another person, make on launch rocket. You know, say when you launch that rocket, it go provoke the second person. That secret will be say una no want talk before. You can't talk. You understand? If this thing pass like this now, that one where you say we go buy popcorn, you go talk. You don't know. That thing you go talk. If it pass like this.
If I not get with you now, want do as far say he and O. No on a platform, when they say Aisha talk this. I'm not that kind of person. I made me vex for
Aisha, listen to SAS. This saga not rob you at all. I don't know why
yes,
they carry you.
make
Not
me
rob you.
Uncle Verify. Now made me the vex for you and O.
Why?
Get me for WhatsApp. Why should not give me voice
not be you. If you reach your turn, you go.
Go they talk with
I don't understand you. You not rob you at all.
Very wise. It's very wise. Now can't discuss with
pocket for. You not get mad.
Discuss make open platform.
Not get mad.
No gay. In how not if you do that kind of no matter how you trigger and reach because you
did I even trigger here? Are you guys even listening to me with a clean heart? Now they listen to me with good heart. And they say wetin vex me now because say he and ho like he know saying and this woman talk both of you talk.
Una talk. So I want this one looking for TikTok. I do your platform.
See, if we say we check this thing and balance am, Aisha, now you even look for your problem. You not self, you they look for Ian issue. You understand? Because I watch your life this morning. Every way they talk, we say we check and balance am. You they find your for your matter. You not know what she do to you. You know what you talk for your platform today when you say Ian wants to make you come outside. You they talking for your platform today. So wait,
madam,
make Ian come outside. Make you start to play on a record.
Make we do it like this. Uncle Sas, wait. Unatiri go thief. Unatiri go thief. One person come out inside. He confess the first person. Wait till make you think say you dey safe.
Wait, who confess who? If we check and balance, and I cancel or confess everybody.
Oh, na cancel or first go there here to come talk. That is say una dey judge in a biased way.
I watched this thing try yesterday from a Noge platform. You understand?
You watch that? Is
Make I finish.
Wait, I know they judge like this. You not good.
They never judge you. Nobody
they come out for cancel or mat. You're not supposed to even be something where be say even they important. If you get issue with her, you're supposed to go sort out with her. You're not supposed to even carry and come platform. Not talk about say they won't come begin to analyze the whole matter. You understand? When she have no fully well, so now she even did wrong. When the talk with cancel or even talk, now she even advising her or make it drop this the way they do that time with a Nogi.
It's not there, not be she advise me.
Yeah, but the voice no one hear yesterday now.
Now she the now she voice no, not the voice. Wait, Favor P, not be even the voice note she for talk on. Now they talk her. If they tell no get for call yesterday, say now he even tell me, make me go nothing. Okay. You understand? I know they talk say because me and pay they no. Not be she tell me say drop. Now me try to drop.
You know concern on. She say
go no.
Let me see talk. I only know they talk.
I talk now, Lucky. Me for.
Baby, before I start to talk, Mona get me, I beg. Money go.
Mona wait.
Okay. See, if you mean they talk or this thing talk, they know they like to they believe Lucky. Oh, Sas, before this thing start to the apple small. Me no go come on myself. We were among the people that are making out to just say in one rest for PA issue. I did. Me no they deny. See, when me talk this thing, say a no-gi don't lose guard. Say there a no-gi platform don't talk to two version. They not believe me for this thing talk. When I talk and say in how get your supporter. And those supporters, they strong, not be small, they be pillar. Aisha na pillar. For WhatsApp, they in house side. Cancel na pillar. For WhatsApp, it did for in house side. For TikTok, it did for Enoge side. Aisha for Enoge side, it did for TikTok. Why for WhatsApp, it did with in house. You dey feel me so, Sas? I tell Enoge say, as you come this TikTok, let us teach you TikTok. TikTok na evil place. No, I've been social media for 10 years. I've been social media for 10 years. No. They know this is someone they carry on. We are being in this game. We they read down. We they talk I be. I talk and say, get your platform now, two version now. Lucky is jealous. Lucky they jealous. Me when they one room, they jealous. On your bed. They jealous you. And they jealous now, they sleep on your bed.
Sweet banana, which one they carry gifts go WhatsApp? Sweet banana.
So talk. So now the matter take on. Now see this thing don't be two version. Yesterday now me call the year and say I was just supporting because of women supporting women. So when Lucky they talk, carry your share and listen. You get me so?
What's it drop Lucky?
Who drop Lucky?
Maybe like network. Before you come back, may I say this one, Charles. You see that woman. Because everybody knows me say that woman a bloody liar, wish me that counselor. There is one thing when I will tell that woman now, yeah. Now carry you enter this app, you carry that you get anything to enter this app, you suffer. If you not say don't do me, I tell you, madam, delete your TikTok when you enter house. You carry juju enter this app, you will suffer. All your family picture, I don't screenshot all of them down. If you say, then you're there me first, try it.
Who be that one? Who be that one again?
A counselor they talk to, so counselor.
She not there yet now. She not there yet.
My counselor no cancel here. If you just try it, be that juju man come, I will cancel your pay for you. I will turn you. Rubbish to
Osa, c'est bien assez de dire after my social media platform. You have to promote your possibility. No, this don't be network.
I got to
say my whole platform, I don't go. Like I say, yeah, I beg, Namula, leave me see the talk now. What me do now?
You talk.
As I was saying, You see, waiting happen for years, so now always, now you know, person they refer to Aisha body, a young man. You know me, Usas. I don't care friend who I get now Aisha husband me the respect. That's how you all lock up, you all they lose. Wow, how they do like this? This guy is my brother. Me no know, me no be who no brother. Me and the no brother. You dey get me so. So if we dey talk this thing, we dey talk the truth. We know the fit out what they talk. See, a no gay, Mona tell a no gay, me a no gay, they know he helper and he supporters. You dey get me so? No be say body you the pepper cancel, they say play record, play record, play record. You want your chuchu, you come play record. No, before that guy even played that record yesterday, he no fair play the voice record for his side, for the plan for social media. So before you your content to come play record, you no fair play and first me know what the record carry. Na castle of matter for you yesterday na say foundation money don't finish. And me no cannot try am. Na castle of math. Let me talk, Osas. Fair wait. Let me talk.
I never talk.
Let me talk. May you wait now? No be me talk and say foundation money don't finish. Na cancel.
I not talk to you. Now you dey. Why
because I not say you want talk. So now cancel of math yesterday now. Now for here now say foundation money don't finish. And Cancelo was even instigating. I don't know if that English correct. Now God will bless TikTok. TikTok now make me educated. Cancelo, by Cancelo words, I put out to Cancelo say, for Cancelo to retell Aisha, they tell in your own say, they are even insulting your child. When they are even insulting you, they no get keep mute. His wife keep mute. You they inside in your own to talk. I don't know that you don't understand me so. For you to able to tell in all those kinds of say that they is not because saying oh you get what you do. I mean me, if you also swear for me, if you kill me, if you not kill me, that will not concern me. You understand me? So are they among the people? No has soul away. So but a no get to lay hand to Osa is good for that side though. But me I don't like Osa say Osa is too calm. Now this one be the way be say if you take calm social media, if you take claim social media. And no don't have the ability and the capacity to hold social media people hostage. You get me so Osas. And no know they keep quiet. But it to the pepper. These people are your people. This is what you're supposed to sort out of in WhatsApp. You get me so you don't supposed to come to social media. Because these people are your people, they don't be your people before. You get me so? So if this guy view do your enter 2000, he don't finish. He don't finish. You get me so? These women now, their issue now, which is what to talk for WhatsApp. You say, may I play the record? May I play the record? My brother played record yesterday now. Eat the one year from winter. And no get use the die gun, that was the gun. Use and take on to fun yesterday. He dey breeze himself. Person when they call madam before he call the caller in name. He call the caller, Cancelo. Eri Magbata. Eri Magbata.
It's okay. You it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
But what I'm hearing now, I be the record don't finish.
Lucky, don't finish.
Mona ceremony gone.
Okay. It's okay now. My brother don't talk, you finish. You understand? So this matter, I don't really see matter for his side. People when I blame, I blame the ladies. That is, I'll blame that counselor for them to even send the voice note where they are two and where they are till they talk. Go send and give a no give.
If I'm my own no deal, my own no deal.
Okay, no verse. The record where they play, where they talk, where they discuss as woman things, you go to send and give a no give. You not say that thing if you not get here and go verse. You understand? You're not supposed to even carry the thing. Even though say you are here, how they fight safe. That one I just past tense. You just let her go. Now I make you be woman. If you not feel they keep secrets, I will want to live for this society. You understand? If America inform Iran say they want to destroy their nuclear weapon, Iran go quick then take back and come up for there. You understand? So sometimes you need to be quiet as a man, as a woman. Not be everything that they talk come out for media. Media, if you throw away spit, they will collect them. You good or you bad or they'll say you're not good. So for that reason, you don't get anybody explanation where you want to explain your your inside matter we wanna discuss for media. We wait there, so you know how many voice record we don't voice give different people. You know how many talk. We never know whether those people don't record us. The day will offend them if we start time like this now. Everybody will come to play record. You hear say person open platform. I get record when I want to play. This boy toast me, he go play your record. I get record when I want to play. Another person he say me they don't dash me something. Another one go play. It not really they nice. More wise up. Especially when we come to Europe. Whether not because of Wi-Fi, may they increase the price so that we go no say we no feel the user they do anyhow again. You understand? Please, I dey beg everybody. Not be everything that they talk come out. You have to behave like a man and a woman. We be say you don't marry. We not be girls. We not be boys. You understand? Please, guys. More of the know what you know they talk. Priceless. Sure you want to talk?
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Mr. Sass, I greet you. I just have just few words to just add to what you said. Now, what you talk, we just talk, so now we want to talk. One, most especially we from the adults. You know, sometimes when you watch social media, you see that we from Edos, now they allow other tribe, they come the insult us. You understand? Now they make the come they insult us. Now we now be the pride of when we talk about that Africa. Now we be the pride. But when they come they insult, hey, this one, you see other tribe come they insult us, even up to the extent they now extended it to our Oba. That our monarchy that
who can be saying that you be the pride of that Africa? I will not be pride.
Wait,
you not
no,
talk your
no, you see, wait, bros. You see, when they talk about Edo, you see everybody they under Edo, like, you know, when we talk about Bende, no, bros, listen. When we talk about Bende, there, bros, listen, no fight, no fight,
you get here for come.
no
What you
fight,
talk? You get here for the
no
carry
fight.
farms. Not be only going for the carry farm Rambo. What you talk?
Bros, no fight. When we talk about Bende before they come they share them, then you understand we are the pride. You understand? So and it is so. I don't want to use harsh words. Say it's shameful or it's downgrading for us to come they fight ourselves for social media. You understand? And this social media now where everybody, both other people, even we the aspirant we not the country, where other people, even white, they listen to us, so it's with they talk and how we they behave. You understand? We should try as much as possible. You see that dignity as a man, dignity as a woman, may we wear them for our body. So I will, so that every day you will look yourself, say, oh, I am a prince, I am a princess, or I'm a king,
Mona power tap and gift me.
You
Relationship
understand?
went wrong.
They're
Not
not only that one too.
Kelly, share request.
Like wetin ERO say. She talk say you don't know whether the man they wash nyash for hospital or whatever. You understand? As a nurse, I will use my own to make example. I am a nurse. A male nurse in the hospital. Now they change patient's diaper. Now they wash patient's body. So it's equivalent that you wash nyash. Irrespective of your title, say you be nurse. Maybe not think how to be say the person a personal support worker. As a nurse, you dey wash patient nyash. So everybody should be proud of what he or she is doing. As far as say they bring money come for you, know the thief.
There's not tell me I tell you issue. No need for that one. Just talk what you want to put up for the matter. Leave waiting the talk, That one I tell me I tell you.
So
it's okay. No. It's okay.
Yeah. So that me want to talk about all these things. Say, I beg each of every one of us, like what you earlier said. If somebody, if I come to you, I call you, tell you anything, at that particular time, you are my God. When I confide on you, like waiting ERO call, say, oh, they give for this side, or they give for this side. It's just like an eye opener to let you know, say, okay, when you do for this side, they do for this side. See how you want it gain for you. See how you want it gain for you. You know me say at the end of the day, when each small issue come out, You go say I get evidence. I won't bring evidence come out. I won't do this one come out. I won't do that one come out. And social media is there. It has come to stay. All these things that we are all doing, our children will grow up tomorrow and come and see it. Whether we like it or not, they will still come and see all these things. So we should try as much as possible to live right in all we do. Think of tomorrow. Think of the future. To think of what we do now. That's all I want to say. Thank you. You can drop me.
Yeah, thank you very much. I beg bring Kelly up. I beg Kelly where a woman run live. I don't know. I beg Mona power tap. Kelly, come up.
Woman see the only person this day.
Uncle Sas, I feel they go. I feel they go now.
I don't want. Wait. Before you come out, Aisha, I don't want to hear your name for this TikTok.
No, I know they talk.
Aisha,
Thank you so much. I know they talk. Me
Aisha,
just
no,
they say.
you
I
get
know.
husband, you get children.
Listen to me. No, open your platform to analyze any
God forbid. No.
Wait.
But you did that today now.
Wait, Rambo, wait.
Uncle, verify. I don't tell you why I do it today.
Not do it again. Your name
I know
not
they
dey.
do it again. Because now when I see
you.
yesterday they dared that woman say, and I know say na 3 or 4.
Rambo,
Why she not fit call me?
Aisha, just keep muting everything. Respect your children, respect your husband. Please.
Money
Don't be with this now. You don't know that guy who said it.
You say Kelly, I think say change name. Make a send request now.
Uncle, verify. I know they talk anything. And una way they insult me while
Aisha, wait. If somebody they talk to you, say they don't want me to do this thing again. Wait, you don't need to explain yourself. You say, okay, I hear. Because
sir.
If they continue like this, if they face you again, this talk not go size you. I know what I'm saying, and I mean no fight when I don't fight for back. So please respect yourself and face your business.
Now he make me vex. Why you all go? They say you they use mistake call my name for this social media.
No, Aisha.
Why you not coming to
Aisha, you get. Aisha,
your
Shana
name?
give a no give. Me play am.
What do they talk?
The evidence is where you get because it's obvious that you didn't look for me, Aisha. The
Okay,
evidence that you have, Aisha, the evidence that you have.
Kelly,
it's like you don't
Kelly send request.
Kelly
send request.
Aisha, you know they listen to yourself. You hear me? So you know they listen. If they listen to yourself, you go no say. Now you they dare me now.
Aisha,
they demand you not say.
Aisha, keep quiet.
Aisha, I thought you said. I want to try to control my women, not to say that he and all start to the insult. Aisha, if you don't know, now your words are daring. You were daring me. Now me, I'm telling you, Aisha, me, I'm daring you back. All the evidences that you have, or if I did anything that you want to send to Nogi, Aisha, from today go, you have to send it to him.
Madam, let me tell you, and this should be the last time.
This is Aisha. This should be the last time I'll get my name from you.
If you get waiting me and you talk,
let me tell you now. If you get waiting me and you talk, Aisha, go send and give a no. I am done with you. Now you define me, Aisha. Now you define me.
Aisha, calm down. Aisha, calm down. Yeah, you know they listen to your word. Calm down.
You know they listen to your words when you
talk.
Why you not go make counselor? I say waiting make me come out. Now because it's not 3 of us.
Why counselor send the picture go give a no-gay? Tell a no-gay say a no-gay see or send picture where I shall send you where it send you lion. Say me, you know they give it. Say me, you know they give you lion again.
Wait,
why you not go follow counselor? Why you do that kind
of thing? You don't see.
Mama, you know them my live video this morning because if you did, I talk and say, na me give lion now. Now they are live.
Aisha, you said you rest.
You we not get issue with you.
I never talk about counselor. I never show your name. So me they say now, Aisha.
I showed my name yesterday.
Aisha, you said that mistake
concerning you, madam.
You not concerning
me talk your name yesterday. My life mistake. Aisha,
you said that mistake.
Aisha,
Aisha,
that was what I said. Aisha, now me they tell you now, say my darling, give a no any proof where you get anything when I don't do what you get.
Darling, I don't get any proof where they give it.
You say you get her now, and they wait for Aisha.
If you get anything when me and you
talk,
you go talk.
No run for all these women.
You go talk. I don't like how now they shift all the blame for one person head.
The problem is Aisha they talk, they forget what they talk. Now what you they talk?
Osas, I don't understand this your Aisha. They fight for council we don't send them. What did I
That's
tell
why I
you?
said
What yourself
by
for
Mr.
Saba?
Baya.
Come on your hand. Come on your hand for here. I did talk
Aisha
to
and
this thing.
Councilor do wrong.
Cancel
Aisha
when
and
you don't go
Councilor
cancel, please.
and
Yeah,
Ian,
cancel
three
no
of them,
yeah,
una
now.
fucked up.
Give me money gone.
Kelly, if you
Cancel when I
take
go
comment
sleep your
section,
account.
send your
Good,
request to send your request.
good afternoon. Aisha, we don't they come up. You they really dare Ian because they feel say you get what be say you won't talk about Ian but you are holding to yourself. You they hold yourself. And me they dare you not make you talk so that Mama, everywhere calm just down. scatter. You not be Ian
Make
You
it just
not be
Who
they
be
dare
this
me say
one?
you
No,
they
because
dare
you
me
dey
to talk
talk
am.
am.
Me they dare
See,
Ian Make she talk anything where me still tell her.
You don't already they talk am for your platform. Say you dare Iyan. Say Iyan na bad person. Say make Iyan not put. See,
And
you
you
say so
don't
many
come for
things.
me. I shall
We are
never
not
come
a
for
fool.
you. You have
We
been
are
the one
not a
coming
fool.
for me.
We
I
know
never
say you
insult
get
you.
what it be say
Now
you
you
won't
they
I
talk
take
talk.
for
come
me.
for
But
See.
you dey
you.
hold
Aisha, you were
yourself.
I
insulting me
take
on your
come for
platform
Everything
today.
you.
make
Aisha, you they
everything don
insult me.
finish.
And
Talk
you
Aisha,
they
everything.
insult me for your platform today. I never
Aisha,
I
talk
never
Very
insult
good.
everything.
I
you.
no
like how
talk.
ya
Talk
ya
am.
mean I
Carry your
find all of
bishop, go
you
the
they
saga in
talk.
that
Talk
or say,
You
everything.
talk for you. Now you they come for her. They be
Aisha,
like say
talk
you
say
don't
you
know.
dey
everything.
catch
We
my
dey
cruise
wait.
now, you dey
Talk
insult
everything.
me.
We dare you now. Talk everything.
Madam, I
Deji,
no
talk
fit dear
everything.
me.
We
Me
Deji,
Iyan
They
Aisha,
beg you.
and
Eh,
I did
Deji
Cancelo.
beg you.
to
Now
Calm
you
down.
talk
Calm
talk.
down.
everything.
Calm down. You don't want
You
calm
will
down. Now
never
you
make
know.
us to hate Iyawo.
Me
We don't like Iyawo,
Iyan
don't like
and
Iyawo.
Cancelo
You
now
dey
you
get
talk.
am.
Aisha,
So
wait.
We
if
Aisha,
talk
wait.
everything.
Iyan
Abemuna,
say
Talk
he
wait.
get
everything.
wetin I
Abemuna, wait.
talk, make Iyan
Abemuna,
talk
wait.
Talk
am.
Abemuna, wait.
Aisha,
1
if you
minute.
don't talk
Wetin una
everything, I
dey
go know say you
talk
no be
for
better
here?
Stop,
person.
wait.
Una too
Stop.
dey bias for this
Aisha,
social
if
Stop,
media.
you
wait.
fit
Una
talk
Stop,
be
wait.
everything
bad
and
people.
what you get
Stop,
about
wait.
Iyawo, I know say you no be better person.
Stop,
That's
wait,
it.
please. 1 minute.
Uh,
Aisha,
stop,
Aisha,
stop.
Aisha,
You
Diploma,
know,
bear, wait 1
you
minute.
still join them. Eh?
Diploma, bear, wait 1 minute. Aisha, me, you, and Counselor don't do group call once.
We never do group call once. Which call we dey do? Wetin we dey talk when we want do
The
group
problem
call?
is, you, I don't know how I'll tell you. I just asked you a question. Me, you, and Counselor don't do group call
And
once.
I said no. Me and you
Okay.
and Cancelo
Because
never
now
do
you
group
are
call.
always, you want to feel like, say, anything me and Counselor talk, you know, you there away.
No,
That
I
was
no
why I
talk.
used one
No,
word for you, say, before you come outside to defend, Aisha,
I no
make sure, say,
defend
your eye don't see
Cancelo.
am.
I no
Make sure
defend
your eye see
Cancelo.
am.
I no see my name for there when they gossip me. Too often no gossip me.
Oh, you see me mention your name. I should mention your name. Oh, that means Aisha, you dey
You not
bias.
mention my name. No be you send
Aisha,
Lion.
play
Give
the
us say
voice
I
note.
send
Aisha, play the voice note. Maybe you
No,
never play
not be
am.
you. Everybody
Aisha,
knows
play
here when
the
you
voice
Come on,
note.
send
give me voice note, make her
Mama
play.
Aisha,
Cancelo
play the
message
voice
say
note.
Aisha don't go
Aisha, you
send
know
the
the
logo
Aisha, you know they
Lion.
understand this thing. Now Cancelo they tell in
Now
your
she
own say,
mention your name, not be me.
you don't go send gift or you no get again.
And that means say na
Now
my
in your
head
own
na
send a gift
scatter
and
two of
to see
una be
am.
that.
So what could be your own for inside now?
That means say na my head
In
na
your own send
scatter
a
two
gift
of
and
una.
to see am.
So
Say
no be
you
say
say
everybody go dey say Cancelo na amebo. Na two of una na I do the thing. Me even dey me do. Una dey
Oh
gossip
yeah,
me.
make you
And
talk
all
what
of
your
una
own
dey
talk now.
follow
You
me
don't
dey
be
talk.
talk. Tell us what your own talk now.
The
You
way
don't
when
be
me
talk.
understand Aisha live video today, Aisha they talk like say he get waiting here. Oh, tell Aisha where Aisha want come talk for public. Period. That's all you
No,
did. Now
no
so
be
you did
say
the
e
talk
get
today
wetin
for your
Yahoo
platform
tell
this
me.
morning.
No be say e get wetin Yahoo tell me where I wan come talk for
And so
public.
waiting come be the day where you come the day this morning now.
Aisha, I not be this one now. What do you talk for this platform now? Say,
Waiting
but
you
we hold
come
our
the day
phone
for.
call.
Me and Aisha open
Waiting,
Yes,
their
waiting.
I say
page.
if he
No,
and
sir.
O,
No,
wetin I
sir.
Okay,
talk
me
make
No,
una
don't
no,
buy
no
sir.
twist my
popcorn
Ask
now.
words.
I
Aisha.
don't buy my
If
Sir,
popcorn.
ask
he
I
and
don't
Aisha.
buy my
Say,
O
popcorn.
sir,
come
mute
talk
yourself.
say
Aisha,
Aisha talk this,
Aisha, you dey
Aisha
lie.
talk that,
Aisha,
then
Aisha,
I
you
say
dey
me
lie.
na own na
Aisha,
popcorn.
You
Aisha.
dey
I
lie.
know, we
Aisha,
don't
you
really
dey lie.
understand whether you don't understand yourself because you don't already
Thank you.
admit to be a partner in the crime which you want to confess if they dare you. You don't already they accept say three of una commit crime, which you accept say you join as a partner in that crime, but make him and he dare you before you confess. So if you get that thing to confess, he and he they tell you now, they give you permission to confess your sin, which you and her, as you claim, committed. So what are you holding for? If you know if he commit, you know if he confess the crime when you don't already admit yes, say you commit. Why Why you not just rest?
Thank you.
Bro,
Very
make
simple.
I think answer
Because
your
now they're
Okay.
supposed to don't ask you say,
Today,
what do you
this
want?
morning,
Okay,
Nosa,
wait.
Nosa asked
Aisha,
Aisha say,
Aisha, I'm coming. Let me ask you this question.
You say yes.
Wait, Mommy Angel, wait. Aisha, what do you want now?
Epa, No be say what did I want? Waiting Apple. I talk and say this is why I come on live stream this morning. Because me and E&O they talk, and I know say she and Mama Counselors too, they talk. And for E&O to come they say
Mona,
you
now
are
they
a
call that
snitch,
woman
you are
cancel
this.
again.
If I wait, I don't feel disrespect her. Just wait. Everybody like a father and ma for my side. You
But
are
you feel
snitch, you
disrespect
are
your
this.
own, Abi.
Why I say disrespect E&O?
See, you are still, you are repeating the same
Nafi say na
thing. You
small
don't
pikin.
understand, Aisha. You don't already
Nafi say
talk.
na
Say
small pikin.
it gets secret when you and E&O talk. Now you know if you talk the secret, E&O dare you. E&O they dare you now say confess
I
what we
say,
talk.
pa, I know they talk
are on my please don't
anything.
no go for
If
Then why you not rest?
come
Then why
say,
you not want
Aisha,
rest?
no be you
Because
tell me this one, no be
we
you
dey
tell me that one,
we
then
be the feel
everybody
say
hold your
the three of
popcorn, we
una.
go roll.
Aisha,
Wetin
listen,
I be small pikin wey I go come dey fear to talk.
Yeah,
listen,
you
Aisha.
tell
You dey
us what
very,
you tell Aisha
you
now.
dey very
Make
intelligent.
everything know.
We dey feel say three of una get call one and who make together
We
una
no
come dey
get any
discuss.
call, we no do any call. I no know
So
where
why
they
you dey
say they
include
talk.
yourself
Which call
as a
we dey
partner
hold?
for three conversation? You don't understand yourself.
You dey put
You dey say
yourself
three
within
of
law
una
for like
na
what
they
you
do the thing
tell
I
you.
beg
together.
una drop treasure
And
boss
three
for
of
me
una
for
never
my
ever make
platform. Beg
Because
call
treasure
Uncle
boss.
together.
say, Uncle Senator,
Walao,
wetin make me
gifters.
add
Thank
myself?
you.
Here come dey shout say, na Mama
Now no they
Counselor,
gift me at
na
all
it
at all.
Aisha, may no go dey gift a no gay again. Na Mama Counselor, na it Aisha, come dey call my name. Now I come look and say, which time this issue take happen? When Mama Counselor tell me say, may I no go dey gift a no gay again. Wetin make E&O dey call me for this kind
Thank
Now,
conversation?
you.
Aisha, make I tell you what made me call you.
Wait,
Enoge said
you
on his
go talk,
platform
you wait
No,
now, you
yesterday.
Aisha,
wait.
wait, may reply you. Aisha, wait, because you know they in your own platform
Make she
yesterday.
debunk that one.
Wait, may she
Aisha,
reply you for that talk.
Enoge said on his platform yesterday, now me go to tell you, make you not give a line again. Now
No, they call
I
my name.
oh.
No,
Now
I
I
don't know.
answer,
Now because maybe I
Aisha,
no dead there.
Aisha, now I answer say, not be me tell you, may you not give Enoge lion again. Now cancel on night tell you. And I not porter for my talking. Cancel on night tell you say,
No,
make you
they
not
no
give.
they call my name. You know maybe na me be the gift. I be no be me. How you stay sure say na
Which other?
me?
Aisha is very good.
Aisha,
Aisha, wait.
let
Aisha,
explain now. Why you don't want to let this guy explain mind? You listen to
Aisha.
the rest. You don't
Mama
want
no be explain. She dey explain. So why
Okay,
are you
Aisha, there's somebody you go check. There's
against
somebody
me?
you check
Aisha, you get
gossip.
what you dey find. Let this guy
There's somebody
explain.
you go check
Speak her
gossip.
mind
Aisha,
when you understand.
Aisha, except
May
you
you
want
go
to,
check there.
Mona,
Aisha,
wait.
except you just want to be burning this issue. Everybody knew what Enoge was saying yesterday on that platform. That I was the one that ordered you. I was telling you not to be gifting him lion again because
And
you
I
are
don't
the
know
only
what they
gifter.
do. Nothing concern
2 days
Aisha
when
for
you
this
go my
matter.
platform,
No,
they
nothing
talk that
concern
matter.
her.
Now,
Nothing she just dey
You
put
just
herself. Now waiting they pay me.
why they talk am.
Nothing concern her. Now cancel her and here oh.
I don't know anybody there. I don't cost Aisha. Aisha put a platform today. They cost me. That's why the devil. Yesterday for my platform, I not insult you. I not call you devil. I not call you manipulator. You open your platform to be insulting me.
What to me the feel say they go
I
ask
didn't know
her
the
since.
proof. I didn't know
Aisha,
the proof
what
you
do
were
you
trying
really
to
want
do.
from E&O presently now? What do you want from her?
Exactly, Badoski. Now, what you supposed to ask Aisha since? Because me not understand her this morning. Waiting she dey
Okay.
talk for her platform.
Wait. Make I tell now. It be like say una no dey understand one thing. And see, if una dey judge,
Gone.
if una dey judge, when I know they use, maybe we know this person, we don't know this person. I know
Oh,
they
that
like
one I
am.
like. You want carry and go that
Oh
side.
my
No,
God.
I
Na
know
like
they
Just
that
carry
one
am
wey
well,
just
answer.
dey
You
well.
know,
talk. Na
just
big
answer the.
lie.
You
Everybody go
wait,
talk the
I
fact
go answer
exactly
una
wetin happen
question.
here.
Wetin make me come out this morning? I know E and O say me and E and O they talk. I just did my own yesterday. I see say E and O they shout say, Aisha, now this person tell us say me know the gift again. And E and O don't first enter my inbox one time ask me say, Mama Aisha beg o, I don't ever tell you may you no give a no gift. I no answer. I just answer in a way where we say is not yes or no. I just leave her mute for there. So when I see the thing happening yesterday, say she gonna call my name continuously. Waiting me do this girl. And I know say the next thing she gonna celebrate like congratulations to me, oh, no be me be the snitch, now this woman be the snitch. Which I know, if una go talk to, Mama, wait, please, I mean, wait, now ask me question, no, let me talk.
Mommy Eje, let her talk now, let her talk.
Mommy Eje, let her finish her babe.
If una know as a woman, you know, say you and maybe two of una they talk. Both of you, now they talk. Not be say maybe one person gossip pass for each other. Both of you, now they talk. If I come out now say, say so, say so, men na ask Aisha say, wait till you say when they talk that thing. It go make sense. If we dey hear this woman voice note, wait till make this woman they give that voice note. You dey see
Aisha, now conversation by conversation now.
Yes, but nobody hear your part of that conversation.
No, they play. He played it.
Una dey hear am.
That means you were not listening.
What you do to that woman? What you do to that woman? So when you come hear am on social media say na snitch, na bad person, that means tomorrow you can also come out and say, Aisha, you be bad person, you be this one, you be that one. Now make me come at this. I write up for your platform say, if there is anything I have said, please talk and come out because I don't understand why two women. Why
Aisha,
two
you be
women
bad
go
person.
talk?
I mean, they put out to you.
Aisha, when you said it, what did I say?
Why two women go talk for inbox? Una go come they call social media, come they say, I dare you, you are a snitch. This one send voice note, that one they talk online. I don't like them.
Okay.
Wait, Osas, I feel talk. Make I talk. Make I talk, Osas, 1 minute. Just borrow me 1 minute. Aisha, thank you very much. Aisha, you see what you talk? Say then drag you enter the matter. You're supposed to be celebrated. You're supposed to celebrate yourself. Say, now lie why they give that they say what make I not give. You just drag yourself, they put for this matter. You say you see that woman why they always diverse, they made them not they call her counselor. She's not worthy to get that title. She's never a counselor and she can never be a therapist. Imagine now, say, you they talk, may we say, because all the voice note we did there now, you know, say,
Kelly, come up, Kelly.
You not talk say,
conversation.
delete one. She will be cancelled now, they give ERO voice note, ERO no, they give her back. Can't you see how foolish she is? Sorry, I have no apology to this, what I'm saying. Wait, okay, man, this woman, Aisha, they talk like, say, you not respond now. Let's just say, okay, you not respond. This woman, they send, they give you, and you never debunk, say, say, delete one thing. You, they send. Why you go call yourself cancel? What do you they cancel? You they cancel for gossip? You they cancel? Aisha, you have no business on this. I don't know why you they drag yourself. This is my problem with you. You have no business. In as much as say they call your name, okay, as they call Osas name, Osas this one, Osas this one. They're not insult us. Why Osas go they bring himself, say, one are they call my name, one are they call. You know, say, get waiting you they fine for that distance. Aisha, you have never in the spotlight of this. Nothing concern you. Watch yourself because you have a family and you have a husband. Concentrate on these people. Because if they pay me, say, mothers, they relegate themselves come this level. Fathers, they relegate themselves become this. Now, waiting they pay me. Now, waiting make me start this platform today. You now they drag waiting no as an okay. You they say make dare you. That way you and ERO talk. You say ERO they talk privately. Say we hold our popcorn. Everybody now don't buy popcorn. Everybody they on break now. Talk that way ERO tell you.
Epa, I repeat myself again. See, if ERO offend me, say he talk. I'll enter in WhatsApp. I'll go, or let's say he block me. I'll go give her my voice note for there. I know they talk, make me and you talk, make her come go they talk. Wait till they pay me right now, be say, no be say when I go they talk, say, cancel, because the way they now come they talk like say, cancel on me, but cancel on this one, cancel. Una as una they beat
you hear wetin we start this platform war.
As una they beat two of them,
you go come
be straight thing.
Wait, Aisha, this is the problem here. Not be you with this, we take start the platform. Now ERO and the councillor will take start this platform.
But the way ERO come put time yesterday, because I watched the video and a lot of people send me that video say, Aisha,
okay, you want to analyze now. You want to become Mommy Angel and Kokobili and Mommy Cute. You for tell us say you don't join these people now.
Provoke me now. So which kind of discussion is that one?
Aisha, can I ask you a question? Are you now Kokobili or Mommy Angel or Mommy Cute? You want join their list, say you want
to
to analyze people now. Tell us, no, we know say you don't they analyze
I know they
platform.
do saga.
No.
But now because
So
they
you
call
yourself.
my name yesterday.
You
Now
get
me.
business.
You
You know
supposed
say you
to
get
say
business.
But you saga your own today.
you support
your own today.
no, now what did she do yesterday? No, now what did you do yesterday? Madam, now what did you do yesterday?
Aisha,
no, I not say you insult me. I
then
said
why were you insulting me on your platform today? Aisha,
She
if
said
she
mistakenly called your name.
Why were you, when I said
Aisha mistakenly, she called my name mistakenly for 3 to 4 times.
And I said cancel. The only time I really mentioned your name was when I was saying it was mommy, madam. I said momka. It was counselor that was telling you not to give a no lion again. That if you stop giving
that conversation, una never put me inside the gossip like that.
No,
Aisha, you not
Aisha,
talk
really
say na mama counselor na they tell
Aisha,
no
okay, Aisha,
I want something make I call that back. I want to stop one thing.
Explain this
Make
part.
Let boss
Aisha, wait. Aisha, wait, you go talk. Aisha, see.
So now me two of na they use to
Aisha,
gossip.
wait. Aisha, wait. Yes, 2 of them they gossip you now.
Aisha
and Caselo.
Aisha, when did you hear my name, your name in my mouth?
Wait, me want tell you now. Say, listen, Aisha. Counselor tell say he go tell you may you not give a no gay lion again. That one they use phone to talk and conversation. Now they talk and they not record each other, not be voice record. Say because in the verse for a no gay, you should stop giving lion. Do you understand? It be like say in your own content, counselor say you not go fit tell her.
Sorry for Aisha. Come on, your body.
You gonna see. Yes, you're going to say, I'm going to tell her. Now, they are conversation for phone, for con. You are not there. You are not into conversation. They not add you. So now, when you come the gift, in all can screenshot you. Give her a counselor. Say, counselor, the person where you say you want them, say, you see they give. I thought you say you want to tell her to not be giving a no-gay. He has given a no-gay. Now, that screenshot your talk for call me. It be like say you don't know.
Okay, Mama, this say here
digital
also,
woman, you know go me. Why not come
Mama, wait. This say here also, if now you know best. Me and here all they talk. If we like we they talk, why he go? They go gossip me for back. If
you supposed to talk, you go to
Aisha,
you supposed to talk. Why you go to go yourself?
Aisha, now me ask question. Aisha, when you all call you, may you ask person.
Mommy,
for this, why you go gossip? Why you go
screenshot?
In your own tell you.
Now me screenshot me when you gift lion to.
Power tap.
Tell me stop telling you to gift
Mama, yeah, fair wait. I hear one you talk. Mama, wait till you talk.
Mommy, Angel, talk with you talk again now. Why you move?
Now your mama, me say you define talk. I go drag you enter this talk. When you will tell you, say me ask that boy question for a no-gay platform that day.
Yeah, may we not talk that fast. Madam, not talk that. If you talk that fast, many things go come out. Just relax.
I said, what is Aisha talk? I know they want to get
out. Just rest.
I get interest.
You must come and get interest. You must stop that thing. Gossiper, now you be.
I get interest.
Gossiper.
Now me talking.
I want to talk something.
I don't like her.
Wait. I want to talk. I shall wait. I beg. I want to talk something for this matter. Aisha, I go tell you for free. I go tell you for free. You won't use rope where you not tie yourself. You want from saying that you be the good person for a no-gay side. Let me just tell the truth. You just the fuck.
Thank you.
Your hand. I will just tell you the truth. You dey fall your hand big time. They for your hand. If now me be you, I'll come up for this matter because it not concern you. No, see, it not guy you won't be. Where you be say you won't. You not get you will not get any problem. Now you they use rope, they tie your neck for free.
But one money gone.
Bye.
Aisha, beg, come on, body.
You don't understand this. I remember no verse, so this one na proko. Na me one later do last. You understand? Because Aisha, the way they use the matter, they tie yourself up and down. You don't know whether you know they understand things. Person don't understand. Explain one particular something more than 10 times. So you don't understand it. How you think they do your thing? You don't understand though. You're actually intelligent.
Aisha want to play. If I hear me.
Actually,
Aisha, all of the one they play me at home. But waiting counselor, waiting counselor talk yesterday. Me no say if na here talk on this TikTok for not continue anybody since yesterday. They for not drag that girl.
Very good. No wahala. Thank God, na my head catch two of them where they call the gossip now. The secret wahala no day. I don't they go. Uncle Sars, thank you.
If I was Sars, you hear me?
I hear you. What's happen?
I say waiting counselor do yesterday. If na here do one, this TikTok for don't catch fire.
Yes,
you hear me?
I swear.
If I don't catch fire, which na here do one. If I don't catch fire, all them more than
I swear.
Here also me na gift me girl. Here also me na gift me girl. But Aisha counselor do one now. All of them want to say counselor.
But we get where I for tell you say oh no time make I no gift no gay. You get where me for tell you.
Madam, may you wait.
Aisha, wait. Tell us where you are for telling you. Wait.
But to the chat, let me see. EAO not sabi they defend himself. For the chat, let me see. Wait, if I was asked, they hear me? For the chat, let me see. Now, counselor, now tell EAO say, in don't tell Aisha me not the gift they no gay. Now make EAO go carry screenshot, go say, give counselor say, I think say you talk say you take Aisha me not the gift they no gay. But see, they say Aisha see the gift they no gay lion.
Thank
let
you.
Me say EAO can go say that lion. Let me say EAO can go screenshot. Should you understand me, pal?
Yeah.
They sent me the full chat yesterday. The full chat and the record, they send me everything. So I wish that EAO now talk that thing. Now EAO now talk that thing. This TikTok will not catch fire yesterday. Because now I know they want to talk about counselor. Counselor is a
Uncle Sars, Shebi, I feel go down, right?
Wait first.
But you hear me? Counselor na snitch.
You go stay or no come. I think 1 year.
Maybe I know about that kind of woman. They match up to her together. Because the counselor they think just there, they feel say what you tell you and also you hold tell and what you know about the thing. You don't know say Matt come on.
I want to ask
you question.
Wait, Godfather, wait. I want to ask you question. Aisha don't shy away from this thing. You bend,
okay,
they talk.
Yes,
you get the day where you tell Aisha, say make you know the gift a no gay again.
Okay.
You get the day
what I tell Aisha say, make you know only the gift no gay. May still go the gift talking because a lot of people go do what they call this this way they do.
Affiliate markets.
Affiliate marketing. The truth is just that the people are not really on a no gay space, a no gay own view. And it's true. A lot of European women, they don't do it. I said, but if you go UK people side, all those still talking, a lot of people with the UK, they that side, they do affiliate marketing. And not just call you say, Aisha, stop to go the gift and no give.
Aisha, that one don't play for where you did now.
Business idea you give Aisha.
My business idea you give
anything where una talk. Una wait, say who una no like. Who una no like. If you talk, una no they believe.
Okay, Aisha, that was not what I said.
I don't leave this platform. Now do it.
Aisha,
that was not what I said.
Iyaho, for the last time. For the last time, no be so the issue say Apple, but forget it.
This lady they tell you, they tell you, make you talk am. Why you they bend down?
It's now procure.
Can't be this? May you tell us I bet
no, wait first.
Bro, you no gas anything.
No, wait, Aisha, wait. Face me first. You know, so
okay,
no problem. Go wash yansh. One no two. Where you bonisa. So Aisha, see what thing they try to ask you. It gets anything where I will tell you. If it's something day, we'll be saying
things of a no game.
Things of a no game. Maybe when they try to.
Yeah, but you know, say me and you talk where Sha. I be
yes,
no.
Now. Now me they tell you things of a no game.
As you know, say we talk where. As you know, say we talk where. I no talk say maybe E and O can't talk, but E and O. You know, say me and you talk where.
Aisha, now they tell you not say talk am now.
They follow you, cause they disgrace myself or they talk for social media. That is why they tell you say waiting you and counselor they do yesterday. Where una carry something where una supposed to verify for WhatsApp or insult una self, block una self, make everybody they go in your own way. Una can't carry and come social media. Now waiting they vex me with that one. So I no go fit. They come for follow you, they talk for social media. Waiting make me they follow you, they talk. We say, even if the counselor go tell no girl, you get any reason, you don't block her. You supposed go your way. Make sure to they go away. As far as say no girl, no come like hold you, tell you say, yeah, see waiting they talk. But now,
so when they no get insult me, say na so I do. You know the science is there, Aisha.
See waiting you talk.
You know the see waiting no get they call me since then.
Now today you and no get they get issue.
Really?
Now today una they get issue.
So Aisha, you know they see everything where na maybe the people will go call you give chance me they come out. You did not see it. You have not been seeing the insult, Aisha.
Wait,
so because say Enoke they insult you now. So proof point now. Waiting you and your friend and be person where you don't fair come mama talk. You will come carry and call social media. Now come they talk.
Let me send another voice note and message, Aisha.
Now because say, let me tell you why she sent that voice note. Let me tell you why she sent that. When you come up yesterday, when you say, I will insult you again and again, people come they talk, people come they climb up, say, this woman, maybe get way to you don't tell he and ho. Now I make the woman forward all the conversation, say, make them play and maybe get any big secret.
Yes.
Aisha, about 2 weeks ago, she I tell your husband, say, your wife went a saga, so he said, no, Topolo, no went a saga. But I won't tell you, and you are welcome. Then they give us juju for this side, though.
Uncle Topolo, you see me for saga. Good afternoon.
Then they give us,
even though say
juju.
This thing, even though say you the saga me. Good afternoon, sir. Did you see me in saga?
Me they tell you so. As you want put yourself for inside saga, so your husband will day work. You will do approval for TikTok. As you want put yourself.
Bro,
so,
I not be that kind of woman. I be woman where they work. You they hear me? I not be that kind of woman.
Wait, yesterday. Yes, before you go that platform, who carry matter go give a no say. Wait, who carry matter who go meet a no now here I go tell no I been the council on I go tell no with the talk for WhatsApp. Who?
Okay, make I tell you what happen. Maybe you know understand.
No, yes, or who carry the matter go give a no now?
Oh yeah, make I tell you. Me, how it tell be me. 3 days, the day before yesterday, he and ho say that woman na snitch, na liar. In Diera may come out, may come accuse and say he no be liar, he no be snitch. So this woman now come they look and say, what are you doing at home? Maybe you send a voice note. Wait.
No, they change the word. I say I dey wait me, you can't tell me. No, they change my word. I dey wait me, you can't tell me why I tell you say you be manipulative and a liar. I not continue to tell her say I dare you, Aisha.
Our patient don't too much for Aisha, eh?
Aisha, because you not dead bias.
Don't come out to the grace.
Because you not dead bias.
Because you know they think, madam.
Why
you are not thinking.
Why do insult? We don't need insult for you.
Yeah, this morning, yesterday. When you go that go tell Aisha say you go insult your husband again. You make sure your name.
Epa, not be me, Aisha. Not be me. You don't they miss the old thing together.
Wait now. When you go tell Castle yesterday say. When you go tell Castle yesterday for that platform yesterday, you make sure your name.
When she can't go on a platform, she can't.
Yesterday when you go that platform, you make sure your
name. Yes, when she can't go that platform.
Listen.
Uncle Topolo, you know, you ask me question, I no go answer you.
Make you answer you Topolo now. Not the make you go.
Yes or no question I ask you. Yes.
Epa, when he can't go on a platform yesterday, she can't they talk say, now mama cancel or tell Aisha, may no they gift a no again. I was like, I waited the happen. More than 4 people sent me the video. I said, which time me and here can't talk this one say na mama cancel or tell me or no be mama cancel or tell me. Wait till they happen. Why you put my name?
Talk on my live video say now you tell me say na mama cancel.
I talk and say she tell me.
I tell her say na she tell me. That's why you contradict yourself.
I tell her say na she tell me. I see the video. People send me. People send me that video. I come they look and say, when me tell you why you go they talk for live video say now mama cancel or tell Aisha may no they gift a no gay again. I come say which kind thing be this one?
Yesterday, the record when they play for YouTube yesterday, your name Dave will be your name no Dave for that record.
My name Dave, the 2 of them.
Now my man, Aisha respect yourself. Now my man today your name.
Aisha, this matter.
I bet
Aisha, you don't
wait. Aisha, now you they put yourself for this matter.
Me not wait now. Me not wait.
Okay, they gossip
Me
me
not
for
wait.
this matter. I be they no gossip me.
they gossip you. Don't you read?
Aisha, can
they
I come
gossip
in?
you.
Because wait. Aisha, who you supposed to they blame? Na counselor. Because na counselor can't say say he don't say Aisha, make Aisha know the gift give a nogi again. So now based on say counselor don't say me and she they are two don't gossip and can later see you say you they gift a nogi. Now take shut and say Aisha see counselor see person when you say me not gift again don't go they gift to. Now just that go deliver message. Not be say na gossip you. Now counselor you supposed to go they blame. Say why you go tell say because we don't know that counselor really give you that statement. Say me not go gift no give. Who you supposed to blame now? Now it be counselor say why you go to tell say me now she tell you me you no gift no give. Not this matter no you concern at all. She only talk wetin counselor tell am. Now what is she talk? Nobody say she calls you. This one say you they blame also. That counselor you supposed to they blame but you they try to protect the counselor. You say now she go like give you It could be like say you get what tell you when you don't want to talk, come out. So me you talk it to me say tell you because you said many things there. You don't want to tell us what you
The way you tell on your platform today, they insult me. Call me devil, Aisha.
Counselor, who you supposed to blame? You they protect the counselor, who you supposed to
my
blame?
head not
You
correct.
the first
for you. Now you start to insult me today.
You
I never
face
insult you.
Now
I never
counselor
call
let
your
me the
name.
witch
You
for
call
you.
insult
Now
me.
no
You
one face
insulted me
the
so much today on your platform where I never call your name.
So may you talk with tell you when he dead ground, moon not talking once and for all.
Wait for the day where you go drink that cappuccino. Till then, I rest my case.
Madam, talk am now.
I will say the way
You don't know you never hear for this
I
app.
just drank it now. I don't drink my cappuccino. Go play am. I've already dead you.
I just Aisha
Put your platform now. Go
Aisha, you see the truth. Aisha, you see the truth. You don't want to talk the truth. Now counselor
will say
leave her
now.
make her back your mama.
Aisha, calm down. That mama counselor go fit climb up now. At least una for no say
my head not there. You see this
as
TikTok,
they
they don't
judge
teach me how to
they
finger
judge
person. I'm not send anybody, Papa. Aisha, shut up your mouth. You the woman. Now you want fight for
Mona, wait. Wait.
Now you want fight for her.
And now I understand this Aisha. Aisha, they say maybe Iyogo still leak. Maybe the discussion.
In the fear, yes.
In the fear. Wait, Mona,
now
wait.
make it they do all this.
Mona, wait. Not be say she talk bad. They listen. Say, as soon as be friend, as soon bring. Wait, make I talk now. As soon as be friend, as soon as bring this thing, continue talk. So one day when still bring you things we una gather discuss for corner, continue talk. If you want quarrel, no quarrel with E and O. You go quarrel with the person where start the stuff. Where start them. That is counselor. They say that counselor start them. Right?
I not be counselor.
So now
be
me
counselor. E and ho. Now that video where you do for that platform where you can't say, Madam Counselor, you are a snitch. If I want me, you can't ask me what to make you be snitch. Now I make Now I make her to say, you know, say that woman offend you or she lie against you. Why can't you go to her inbox or ask me, say, Aisha, see what happen? If now this woman said no gay or this one, you know, say I go help you ask her. Why did you
go help me ask her? I'll come meet you now. Say, may you go help me write counselor. Say wait.
Aisha, don't worry. I will tell you. You not go tell you no give. I hear one word say now you tell you no give that time.
Wait. Okay. You just now you start and they ask.
As diploma when Goya they talk for a platform. Now me talk and say. Counselor on a very manipulative person because no gay they talk for a live video say he gives her when me tell me come for a platform where he come out he don't come back or the gift I don't know say nah me na bad. When Goya they talk if Goya, if you remember, you will bring me up, say whether you know the name.
Yeah,
Whether
I
you know
beg
the name
not that woman cancel again. I don't name
I
the
can't
person.
say,
Not
I
call
don't
am the
say because I
second name.
invest for person. I don't know when that saga happen go, yeah, where you say whether it not be if it cost you, blah blah. I say I don't really did it, I don't know. When you call they try to remind me, I say I don't still know. You they hear me so? Me, I know they say because I invest for person, I'll call go the life for you, do never. Even if I invest for you now, wait till you do. Now still talk.
Okay.
Me now they talk.
But wait. But did now Goya start the issue when
No,
you don't
Goya and Councilor get their issue normally. Goya get the paper, they won't go swear for Goya. Goya get the juju paper normally.
Okay.
You understand so?
Okay.
So when I call Goya, they say, you know that day. I call they try to remember the scenario. I said, me not remember the scenario. I said, but all waiting me, you know. All waiting me, no say, Councilor na snitch. And a liar. I said, they wait for when she come ask me, say, what to make you call me snitch and liar? Aisha, you say, what to make me go talk? Why your counselor where they mature? Now, let's say she's older than me. Go, why not write me for WhatsApp? The 20 minutes bragging, she bragged on, listen, Aisha. Aisha, listen to me. When you talk, I leave you. The 20 minutes voice note, when she take brag, give me for WhatsApp. Why she know is that 20 minutes voice note, ask me, say, me, I the quarrel. What to make you talk say I be lying and a manipulative person? She be our answer, diploma. That 20 minutes this was bragging. You are too small. You are too this. You are too that. Who trigger me?
Let me tell you, I did blunt. I know they because say, Madam,
Aisha,
wait. Make I tell her what I want to tell her. I did very blunt. You come on live stream to do that.
Yeah, why would you tell Aisha to stop gifting someone?
Let me tell you, wait. No read comment section.
No, yes, now what do you
I dey talk, make I first talk. Relax. You know, say Goya and that woman they get issue. Shebi, if to say you do video for your this thing for your platform, say, this woman, that one, she fit see that video pass go. But you are on that platform saying that, and you are expecting her to come to your inbox. Tell you, say,
but she come my inbox yesterday now. She sent me voice note yesterday now.
Yes,
she sent me voice note with another number yesterday because I blocked her number.
I know.
She sent me voice note. Why she not tell me?
Wait till you they talk. Now me they reply. Say she for come tell you say no. Even though say you don't like me, even though say you like me, I'm just telling you. I just they tell you say.
Aisha,
to let una discussion come TikTok. Period. If
this money come face me at all.
What you gonna make you call the insult? Why you can't leave your platform? Which insult I don't give you, Aisha?
Make I tell you why.
Aisha, wait. Aisha, I beg. When you want to start marketing and digital, register, I beg.
When you want go shop? When you want go shop because you day house today.
That means me they would have fixed and I can't say.
That too not go kill me.
And why me too?
My wardrobe. Aisha, before I come down, Aisha. Now, if a no get the always they talk for a platform, say, I won't bring the platform down. Here would they tell people, here would they tell a gift, a gift again. Who be all those gifter when here would tell me a gift again?
Okay.
Hey, pal, sure you know as maybe a no get they talk that kind of thing. If to say here come out now say, I don't best so everybody may I help me as a no get must talk that person so say now waiting here do be that.
Jesus, I have said that several times on my platform.
Aisha, don't talk many times for a
I have said it several times.
If that talk, Aisha, wait, not the way they talk. I never could talk. For this talk. Osas, wait. You see Aisha, Aisha, they're not the winner for conversation. Now Aisha, they win, no problem. Aisha, you where they talk so. Shebi, you don't on your platform.
Boya, wait, make this person finish.
Wait, take I talk to not they talk, see?
Now Topolo they talk, make it finish.
It don't be Topolo said they talk since before I come up.
They ask question before, you never finish.
Aisha, you never do. What thing you they look for? I be you get money where they owe you.
Goya, now waiting the ground you they talk. I be now.
Waiting the ground. You two they talk, Aisha. Since money, talk. Which one concern you? Can't tell me what concern you. Waiting in and do you? If you are all the all your toto, let us know. Me are they very blood.
Goya.
This woman too they talk. It too they talk. You know they let us talk.
Go your platform. Now you.
It too they talk.
Goya.
Goya, wait first.
Waiting concern this matter. Where you from?
You never mislead our women. Hear me? Now you know for this talk, you never mislead our women. We don't need people to mislead our women. What I want to tell you that one. Aisha, you are welcome to Saga. Then they give us juju.
Epa, I know welcome to Saga. I know they do Saga.
You like Saga? Which one concern you?
I know they do Saga.
May you bring Cancelo, like you want repress Cancelo. Maybe we'll start because Cancelo they owe me Saga.
Okay, you want start to the Saga me now.
Your husband is a very nice man. You dey hear me?
Go ahead, you want Saga me right now, Abi.
Go do your this thing. You don't concern you, madam.
You dey hear wetin dey happen since morning.
I don't dey watch you since morning.
Then you know they listing well.
I dey listen you to the talk.
Because
not good for you.
If you go tell person something, who you go tell something, you with am talk.
Aisha, it not concern you.
It not concern me.
It not concern you.
Okay.
Let one see. Aisha, let one see. Not put person matter for your head. Because you don't know TikTok.
I'm not put person matter. I just dey vex for both of them for carrying the issue. Come TikTok, come they.
But now you they drag the matter now. Now you they drag her. Who they drag her with you?
We never for our hand.
Now we not me, but now Proko will be. Now like you don't think cancel this matter.
Aisha, we never you take on TikTok. I don't.
You know they go me, but don't do your marketing and digital marketing.
No.
Oh, they don't lose me for work. I don't lose.
Aisha, when I put my platform, my Saga, you are insulting.
Mona, wait.
But so I better talk avec.
I want go down.
Now everybody what I get for Aisha.
Aisha,
you hear me? Aisha, you hear me?
How many of you want follow Aisha talk right now? Make I feel.
Now I want just tell you one thing. This matter not concern you. You know
Aisha not concern you. Not be amebo Aisha for
you. Not supposed concern you. Not people body they worry you.
You not be amebo.
You not supposed
Aisha, you not get what you talk for this matter. Never.
Goya, make I talk now.
Never. We not agree for this industry.
Goya.
On your platform, go analyze her. What she concern you for this matter?
No. It not concern me. But wetin he and O do that woman. Where they carry the matter on social media.
Aisha no concern you. Aisha go dey send you
forget that one.
Aisha
don't
say online. Aisha na me go send voice note. Listen to you. Aisha give a nugget.
Aisha
that be
put for your head.
Listen to you.
Who they say one swear put for my head so?
Aisha, as the host and the rest men wey dey here tell you may you drop since because they know your husband. May you drop because I don't they see
because if I not stay now they listen to waiting and they talk. You can't be like say maybe I run away from waiting she they talk.
No, Aisha, wait. The whole world, even I don't they comment since the whole world don't they talk. They won't day against you since because now word where they come out for your mouth. You know they know. Now everybody don't take day against you. It's like this matter not be your own. No, they not gossip you. They not talk now. Say you go talk bad against a no gay. They not tell you say you talk a no gay. They not tell you.
Gossip.
Wait, ma.
Mama, you know if you prove out.
Wait, ma. They not tell you now. They not tell you. Wait now. They not tell you now. Say you gossip a no gay. They only talk say may you know they gift a no gay. And na plus for you.
Not the plus. Wait. Not to talk say na plus for her. You don't need to tell person who you want gift. That one I normal.
Bro, say no girl.
Wait. He give an idea, say go so place. Still go they give that one. Maybe from there they'll bring you up for you to express your business. That one an idea of business. You understand? That one not be say it stop you say may they give a no gay. If not that one.
Okay.
So for you to say that plus to and say may they give a no gay, not talk that one.
No be say plus me no they give you no gay. I said that is supposed get price.
No, now waiting make me. I don't tell now. Now no they understand me.
Wait now, Aisha.
Mama, I want to calm down now.
Aisha, may you calm down. Aisha, you know they do am a boy. You know need to talk. Aisha, no know wetin concern you for this matter.
Goya. You know say me and you. We know they talk. But wait, Mama, wait. I want to ask one question. You and Percy now. Goya, una be the way they talk. Una be the way they talk.
Aisha, Mama, wait 1 minute. Aisha, calm down. We don't need explanation. Mama, wait, Mama, baby.
Na juju na. They want swear for me. I want to
go. Wait.
Aisha, help me cock up.
Mama, wait first.
We'll talk about that one. We'll talk about that one. I want to ask. Wait. Iao, I ask you again as a friend for this TikTok. It gets anything at all. We be say we will not to communicate. You and Aisha, we will not communicate. Where you talk, where you know say that thing, if you come out for media, people will blame you.
Okay, Aisha talk.
No, now you, I they ask.
If he pass when I take comment, when I take the report the matter to them and cancel, or when I take us suggest for a message, still go to give talking, I shall still talk all of them.
No, another one day.
I don't know the particular thing why I shall say I do. Wait, be safe the words here. They go toss this year and I be the cruise.
No, you know why I ask you because
wait. I just remember something. Aisha, I want to know. I will tell you say they single. I be don't divorce. Tell us. What tell you? Talk everything, my sister. Talk everything.
Wait.
Mama, Goya.
If everybody no understand me for this, what I do, I no blame una because now the way we una take camp. Me and Iao, if I beg wait, make I talk with her WhatsApp. Me and Iao they talk, which is woman talk. I not talk say Iao can't tell me say that one a normal thing. When you and the other person wake on they talk, you can't go out, go they dear the person say if the person talk say no be snitch, may